Hello students, myself Archana Varude from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, and in today's video we are going to learn about what are the different testing methods. There are actually two methods. First is destructive testing method and second is called as non-destructive testing method. First we see why this testing of material is important, why it is necessary in quality control department. As we know that in industries there are different departments like as a production department, also quality control department, and in quality control department the testing of material for its performance is very necessary part. And now we see why the testing of material is necessary. First is for the detection of materials defects like crack, flaw or porosity. As we know that for before launching of the product, first that material should be checked where there is any defect like crack, flaw or porosity. Otherwise it is considered as a raw material. Second point is the testing of material is essential for determination of breaking stress, ultimate stress, its strength impact, resistance ductility, yield of material for its safe and successful performance. Then it is also essential for determination of microstructure, its structure, morphology, chemical constituents, physical and chemical properties, and to check suitability of component with respect to mechanical, chemical, electrical, thermal and physical properties. And here these are the two main methods of testing. First is destructive testing and second is non-destructive testing. And now we study what is meant by destructive testing method. And here this test involves testing of material with the actual destruction of material. That means when we use this method, at that time the material is actually destructed and therefore it cannot be used for its intended purpose. That means that material cannot be used in future. Then after testing this material, one can test the material as a sample, and that is called as a lot sampling examination, because here all materials are not tested because it is with the actual destruction of material. See here all materials cannot be tested as it is destructive testing method. And here generally universal testing machine, that is called as UTM, and it is used for this purpose. That means it is used for destructive testing method. And for example, using this UTM, that is universal testing machine, breaking stress of rod is determined. And compression testing machine, isolate and impact tester, torsion testing machine, these are the some examples of destructive testing technique. Now we see what is meant by non-destructive testing method. And here it is also called as NDT method, and this method is the method of examining the materials for internal as well as surface discontinuities without the destruction of material. See here, this is the main difference between destruction and non-destructive testing method. In destructive testing method, the material is actually destructed and therefore it cannot be used for its intended purpose. But in NDT method, here it is used to check the internal as well as surface discontinuities without the destruction of material. That means here that material is not destructed and therefore material can be used for intended purpose after this NDT testing method. And also the 100% testing is possible, or in other words we say that when the test is completed, the part can still be used. This is the main difference between DT method, that means destructive testing method, and NDT method. And here these are the various NDT methods which are used in industries to check the flaw or porosity or any defect in the material. First is radiographic testing. In short, it is called as RT method. Second is ultrasonic testing. It is also called as UT method. Third is magnetic particle testing, called as MT method. Fourth is eddy current testing, called as ET method. Fifth is leak testing, called as LT method. Sixth is liquid penetrant testing, called as PT method. Seventh is visual testing, called as VT method. Number 8 is vibration analysis, called as VA method. 9 is thermal infraradiography, that is called as TR method. Then next is neutron radiography, called as NR method. Next is acoustic emission testing, called as AE method. Then holographic testing, called as ST method, and microscopy testing. And these are the some different NDT methods used in industries. And there are also many testing methods which are used in industries to check the defects, surface discontinuities as well as the internal discontinuities. Then we solve MCQ. Here first question is, in destructive testing method, option A is only one sample is tested. Option B is all materials can be tested. Then option A is two samples are tested, and option D is none of these. And as we see in this earlier slide, that is in destructive testing method, only one sample can be tested. And therefore, here correct answer is A, only one sample is tested. Second question is, in non-destructive testing method, option A is only 10% testing is possible. Option B is 100% testing is possible. Option C is 100% testing is possible. Option D is none of these. And as we see in NDT method, here the material can be used for its intended purpose after testing, and therefore 100% testing is possible. And therefore here correct option is C, 100% testing is possible. This is all about today's video. I hope you all understand what are the different testing methods, what is the difference between destructive testing and non-destructive testing method. Thank you.